Very good morning, children. We are today going to start our class 9th chapter congruence, congruent triangles, or simply it is triangles. Triangles is based on congruence. So we are doing congruent figures, congruent triangles, triangles. So what are congruent triangles? What are congruent figures? Congruent triangles or congruent figures are those figures those which have the same shape and size. अगर बराबर साइज के होंगे और उनका शेप सेम हो, उनकी शक्ल एक जैसी हो, they are congruent figures. So we will write congruent figures are those figures. Congruent figures are those figures having same shape and size, having same shape and size, For example, if I am having 1 rupee coin, here is 1 rupee coin, and another also 1 rupee coin I am getting. Both are equal in shape and size. Their shape is same, their size is same. 1 rupee coin. These are congruent figures. Now, what are similar figures? Similar figures are those figures which have same shape, but not size. For example, if I am having a 10 rupee coin, and a 1 rupee coin. It is 10 rupee coin and here is 1 rupee coin, or 5 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin. These are same in shape but size differs. So these are similar figures. Now congruent. We are doing congruent triangles. Same or congruent in triangles also we can say. Triangles having same shape and size are congruent triangles. Triangles having same shape but not the size are similar triangles. So let us take rules for congruence. Rules for congruent triangles. First of all, I am making two triangles. One triangle here. This is having three different coloring for these three sides. This is one triangle and another triangle here. This is A, this is D, this is B, this is E, this is C, and this is F. So AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, CA is equal to FD. Triangles are congruent by SSS rule. When three sides of one triangle are respectively equal to three corresponding sides of another triangle, then triangles may be congruent. First rule, First one, if three sides of one triangle या of a triangle are respectively equal to or respectively equal to three sides of another triangle, three sides of another triangle then triangles are congruent. Then triangle ABC, it is A, then it is B. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. D, it is E, and here it is F. Here it is F. By rule of side angle side, S A S, sorry, side S S S S S S. So this is the first rule. Now second one, if I am going to make a triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC, and another triangle I have made DEF. I have made another triangle DEF. Triangle DEF is here. Here it is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and this is F. If this angle they are equal, then this angle they are equal, and their included side, this side equal, then triangles are congruent by angle side angle. If two angles and one included side of a triangle are respectively equal to two angles and an included side of another triangle that triangles are congruent, then triangles are congruent that is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by rule of angle side angle, then side is this and angle also the same, it has been made side angle side. Then the third one is if two sides of a triangle, if two sides of a triangle, if two sides of a triangle I'm going to drop this here, I'm going to make it over here. If two sides of a triangle A, B, C, it is D, E and F. This side equal, this side equal, and included angle, this angle is equal to this angle. So triangles are congruent by SAS. So we will write if two sides and one included angle and an included angle of a triangle are respectively equal to two sides and included angle of another triangle, then triangles are congruent. Therefore triangle ABC, here is ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by side angle side. It is side angle side. So these are three. Then the fourth one is, I am going to rub this. Fourth rule for making congruence is the fourth congruence rule is I am having another set of triangles, another pair of triangles. This is one side, this is the third side. I am going to make like this one here, and again I am having the two sides here, the two sides and one side of another different color. Now this angle they are same. This angle they are same. Let us make this one of another color. This angle they are same, and this side they are same. It is A, B, C. This is D, this is E, this is F. So angle side. Any two angles and not the included side, it should be another side, then triangles are congruent. So we will write same. If two angles of a triangle, fourth one, if two angles and one side, not the included side, not included side are respectively equal to two angles and one side of another triangle, then triangles are congruent. Therefore, in figure, this is fourth here, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by rule of angle side and side. Now fifth one. What is fifth rule? In fifth rule, I am taking right triangle. One right triangle I am making. Here is a right triangle. Another right triangle also we are making. Another right triangle also we have made now. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is right angle. Here it is A, here it is D, here it is E, and here it is F. This angle, this side equal. I will make any one of these coloring, another color I will make this one. I have made this green color. Let us make this also a green color. So any one of these two sides you can take, both are having the same like so. And this is right angle. This is hypotenuse, this is side or this is side. So if in a right triangle, its hypotenuse and any one side of other two are respectively in a right triangle, if its hypotenuse and one side of another triangle are respectively equal to its the hypotenuse and one included side of another right triangle, then triangles are congruent. This implies triangle ABC triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by rule of right angle. Right angle is green, hypotenuse pink, means they are equal, and any one of the sides, let us take side RHS, so the triangles are congruent, or you can make this also and this also equal, so any one of these two sides, so the triangles are congruent. So there are 5 rules for congruence. Number 1 is SSS, number 2 is angle side angle, number 3 is side angle side, number 4 is AAS, and the last one is, that is 5th one, that is RHS. So these are 5 rules for congruence. On the basis of these rules we can make solutions of the questions. Now on the basis of this we have to make some theorems to prove. So let us make the first term based on this chapter to prove. What this says, the theorem, prove that theorem first on this chapter, prove that equal sides of a triangle or have equal angles opposite to them, opposite to them. So let us make a triangle ABC, इसकी दो sides equal है, ABC is a triangle. So let us make this side of another color. This is A, this is A, this is B, this is C. So given, what is given? A triangle ABC in which AB is equal to AC. Now what needs to be proved? To prove what is to be proved, what needs to prove, हमें क्या प्रूव करना है कि इस AB के अपोजिट में है C, that angle C is equal to AC के अपोजिट में है angle B, so angle C is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle B, or you can write angle B is equal to angle C. Construction is nothing, it is either paper folding or making, it is bisector. Let us draw the bisector AD, bisector of angle A. Draw AD, the bisector of angle A. Draw AD, the bisector of angle A. Draw AD, bisector of angle A. Prove in two triangles. If this is bisector of angle, this means this angle 1 and angle 2 can be equal. So this angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. So prove in two triangles. In two triangles ADB and ADC. In triangles we are having 6 parts, 3 angles. For example, I am going to make here any triangle. First of all, let us make angle A, angle B, angle C. These are 3 parts, and another 3 parts are this line segment is A, B, B, C and C, A. these are parts of the triangle. So triangle has 6 parts. Now on that basis, now let us see in two triangles. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. That is already given. So we will write it is given. Reason is must. AD is equal to AD. ADB triangle का भी है, ADC triangle का भी है. So this is common part of both. AD is equal to AD. That is common. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That is construction part. ठीक है, हमने construction में लिखा था. So that means triangles are congruent. Triangle ADB congruent ADC by rule of this side, this angle and this side, this side, this angle and this side. Therefore, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by rule of ADC by rule of side angle side. When triangles are congruent, their corresponding sides will be equal, their corresponding parts will be equal. Therefore, इस ट्रायंगल का B और इस ट्रायंगल का अगर मैं इसको फोल्ड करूंगा, this C will fall on B. That means C and B will be equal. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C or angle C is equal to angle B. इसको कहते हैं by CPCT. CPCT is nothing. It is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. This is now first one we have proved. What needs to be proved? Angle C is equal to angle B. So this we have done. Now theorem second. It is converse. It is the converse of the same theorem. उधर sides दिए थे equal. Here the sides were equal. Now we are having angles equal. So let us make another triangle. Again the same triangle we will make. This is a triangle ABC. ABC, a triangle. Its two angles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle C. We have to show that is AB equal to AC or is not. It is. Theorem second. Converse. If two angles of a triangle are equal, then sides opposite them are also equal. Then prove that sides opposite them are also equal. Sides opposite to them are also equal. Or also equal. या शॉर्ट में इक्वल एंगल्स है, इक्वल साइड्स अपोजिट टू देम. Given a triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to angle C. To prove is AB equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. So AB is equal to AC. Construction same what we did in the first one. Draw AD the bisector of angle A. Angle 1, angle 2 equal. Draw AD bisector of angle A. Prove in two triangles Which triangle? ADB, ADB and ADC. Again we have AD equals AD, AD equals AD. That is common part. It is belonging to both the triangles. That is a common. Similarly, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. ये इस ट्रायंगल का है, ये इस ट्रायंगल का. This belongs to this triangle, this belongs to this triangle. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It is construction part. Angle B is equal to angle C. This is given. This is given. Therefore, triangles are congruent by angle side. Therefore, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by rule of angle side. Therefore, AB can be equal to AC. Therefore, AB can be equal to AC. These are the corresponding parts by CPCT. Everywhere we have to write CPCT where triangles are congruent. By CPCT, hence proved. This needs to be proved. Now, on the basis of these, we will solve some questions. The question says, two triangles ABC and DBC are on the opposite side of BC. ABC and DBC. The question says that this AB is equal to this one, this side equal to this side. Also, this BC, it bisects angle ABD. Angle this, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that AC is equal to BD. This equal. So question is, in the given figure, AB is equal to DB, BC bisects angle B. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DBC. Second one, AC is equal to DC. So solution, in the given figure, two triangles ABC and DBC have common side BC. Also, BC bisects angle B. Therefore, in two triangles ABC, we have to name according to prove what is to be proved. Accordingly, we will name here also. In two triangles ABC and DBC, it is AB is equal to DB. It is given. Second one is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It is also given because it bisects. And BC is equal to BC. Have a look. BC corresponding parts. BC is equal to BC. It is common. Therefore triangles are congruent. Therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DBC by rule of side angle side. हो गया पहला प्रूफ. Then second one we can say AC. How is the corresponding A and C, 1 and 3rd. DC. AC is equal to DC by CPCP. By CPCP. This is to be proved. This is question based on these ones. Now next one. Next, let us take a question from the NCERT book. What it says. The question says, just wait. ABC, it is same question as we had just now. It is same. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. So let us make the figure. Here it is like this one. This joined with this. This joined with this. ABDC is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Its diagonals have been drawn. Now what is given? AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. This side equal. Also angle DAB. Angle DAB means this angle. This angle is equal to CBA. This angle they are equal. What we need to prove? We need to prove ABD. Triangle ABD is congruent. BAC is congruent to BAC. It is solution. It is second question of the exercise. Question. In the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral having AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Then prove that triangle first one ABD is congruent BAC. Triangle BAC. So let us make this solution, and second part is also there. What can you say about AD and BD and AC? Second part is BD is equal to AC. Now solution. In two triangles, we are having two triangles in the given quadrilateral. In the given quadrilateral A, B, C, D, BD and AC have been joined. BD and AC have been joined, therefore in two triangles, no, not in two triangles, what it is given, also we have AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Thus in two triangles, which two triangles? In two triangles ABD and BAC and triangle BAC, AB is equal to BA, BA same, it is common, angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, it is given. Also AD is equal to BC. Corresponding chords, have a look, first third. AD is equal to BC, this is also given. Therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBA by rule of side angle side, SAS, hence proved. So first one proved. Second one, when triangles are congruent, corresponding chords will be equal. DAB, so it is BD can be equal to CBA, that is equal to CA, AC by CPCT, this we proved. And what? Angle ABD, third part, also angle ABD can be equal to ABD can be equal to ABD. This one can be equal to which one? This angle can be equal to this angle. Which one? BAC can be equal to angle BAC by CPCT So this is related to this one. Same the another sum related to these rules which we have done. So all these exercises are based on these rules, 5 rules. On that we have to make the question to solve. So let us solve the next question now. What it says, AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. P is its midpoint. From A like this, from B another like this one. This is D and this is E. Yes. this angle, this angle, this angle are given, they are equal. Also we are being given that angle APE, this angle they are equal. We have to show that triangle APD is congruent triangle BPE. So solution I will make for this question. In the given figure, I am once again repeating, AB is a line segment, P is its midpoint. From P, a line segment has been drawn, PD and DA has been joined. Similarly, from point B, this point P, PE has been drawn a line segment and ED have been joined. As the figure is obtained such that angle APE is equal to BPD. Also angle DAP or angle A is equal to angle B. We have to show that APD and BPE are congruent. In the given figure, AB is a line segment, P is its midpoint, therefore PA is equal to PB. Also angle A is equal to angle B and angle APE is equal to angle BPD. Now which is this one given? We will add this interior of angle, this one of angle. We will add to both these angles, this as well as this, adding EPD on both sides. Adding angle BPE on both sides. This implies angle APE plus angle BPE is equal to angle BPD plus angle BPE. By Euclid's axiom, what it says that if equals are being added to equals, their totals are equals, their sums are equals. So angle this plus angle this, that means angle APD over angle APD is equal to angle this plus angle this, BPE. Now in two triangles, these two triangles APD and BPE. AP is equal to BP. That is given because P is the midpoint. Then angle A is equal to angle B. This is also given. Angle A is equal to angle B. This is also given. And we have proved that angle APD is equal to angle BPE. We have just proved here. So we will write this proved. Therefore triangle APD is congruent to triangle BPE by rule of which one? Angle. This angle, side angle. This is angle, this is side, this much is angle. So it is angle, side angle. Thus AD is equal to DE. AD is equal to DE by CPCD. By CPCD. And BD, PD and PD can be equal to PE. PE by CPCD. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. This is related to congruence what we have done. So wishing you best of luck. You can do all sums now. Then you will just go through the exercises. All the best.